that one?
Yeah. All right, y'all. So it's Jeff from Real Fishing Arizona, and I am here today with Bill from Fishing with O'Dad. And we are out here. We're going to see if we can catch us some catfish. I think that Bill is probably going to do him some bass fishing also, but mainly it's to be fishing for channel cats. So is there anything you want to say, Bill?
Yeah, it's exciting being here. Jeff and I have been trying to get together for a long time. Nothing's worked out until today. So I'm excited about being here, fishing new water, and just being with Jeff and meeting a new friend. So yeah, this is great.
Yeah, so I've had my channel now for 2.5, 3 years, and the whole time I've had my channel, me and Bill have been in contact with each other, and we've been trying to set up a time that we could both go fishing together. And it took us a while to get together to fish, but we finally got together. So hopefully we're gonna have a good day here today. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. I really do appreciate you. So let's get to fishing.
Yeah. A little feller. Well, here we go. Got a nice little channel here, thanks to Jeff. I didn't get skunked. Yeah, nice little, cute little thing. Little chubby guy. So we're gonna let him go. I wish it was about this big, yeah, instead of that big. Got a nice bass, guys. Nailed it right at the bush. I thought it was a snag. Oh, he got my... Oh, he swam off with my shad wrap. The line broke. Ah!
I'm sorry, buddy. That was a nice one, too.
Got one, guys. Oh, man!
That's okay.
That was a beast. Woo! So I may go back to my bait that I almost got that real big one on. I think they're on to you. They're like, that guy Bill, he's up there. He almost got me. And somebody. Oh, got one. All right, guys. All right, hold on. I got him. I got this one. He's a middle. Oh, I got one. I got one. I also got me. Okay, me is loose. All right, guys, finally landed a bass after losing two and a big one. Oh, and a big one. It would have been a monster. I finally got one of the first bass in a long time out of a river. Ain't that cool? So I got it on a Rapala jerkbait, and he came right near shore too, just like the other two that I missed. So yeah, nice. Well, all you real fishing Arizona guys, I know this is not a catfish like you're normally used to seeing on Jeff's channel, but it's a nice little bass, healthy thing. We need to get them gone here. And this is my first river bass in ages. So I normally don't fish rivers. So here we go. Yeah, nice little guy. Gonna let him go. Thank you, Jeff. There you go, little friend. See ya. See you on the next shoot. Got it. Dang it. Got it. Got one? Yeah. All right. Sir Jeff has one.
Good too.
Yeah. Just got a fish. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there he is. Fighting the monster. How big do you think it is, Jeff?
Probably a couple pounds, maybe.
I was hoping he was a couple of pounds. Yeah, still, you didn't get skunked.
Yeah.
Didn't get skunked.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I caught one. The skunk is off for Jeffrey. Just when we were getting ready to leave, I catch one. And he's not very big at all. This fish can't be no more than, about a pound.
Yeah, and Jeff called that because he said he'd probably catch one right before
we get ready to leave.
Getting ready to leave, so.
All right. So yeah, there he is, my pound fish. So I'm gonna go ahead, take him off the hook, get him back out in the water. And I think we're probably gonna get ready to pack up and get out of here. All right, there you go. Man, that dude, he hit that pole and pulled that thing down.
He thought it was a big one.
Yeah, the way he pulled it down, I thought he was. I was hoping he was gonna be like 5 pounds. All right, guys, there he is again. There's my big old fish. My big old 1 pound fish. Anyway, he'd still make a pretty good fillet. All right, so let's get him back in the water. I have to splice it. I didn't get skunked.
No, yay.
All right, y'all, so it's Jeff and Bill, and we had a pretty good day of fishing. Well, Bill had a pretty good day of fishing. I caught one fish and that was it, and Bill did pretty good. So what do you think about today?
Oh, I thought it was great. It was just nice being here with Jeff and fishing new water. That's always fun and exciting. One thing, I missed my personal best bass. He had to have been all of 7 pounds. So, yeah.
It was a huge splash.
It was a big one. And I missed one other bass, and I did catch one bass and a small cat. So I'm pleased, very pleased. So it was great being here with Jeff.
Yeah, and I had a pretty good day. I thought I was going to get skunked, but yeah, right there, you know, a few minutes before we got ready to start packing up here, I caught that fish. So I didn't get skunked. So
yeah, that's always nice.
Yeah. So anyway, I do appreciate you guys watching my video. Thank you, Bill, for coming up and fishing with me today.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
You guys keep watching my videos, keep coming back, watching what we're catching here in Arizona, and keep your lines tight.